Hello! Today we're sharing the November Mrs. Grossman's Sticker Club. Welcome to Emilee's Paper and Caper, where you'll find inspiration to scrap your stash. If you're new, be sure to hit subscribe so you don't miss any of the fun ideas. Now let's get scrapping. The postcard is the cute bear all dressed up for fall. Happy Thanksgiving. Oh, those are pretty. Bears and stars and rainbows and balloons. We love a good alpha. Oh, my favorite. Leaves. Cute turkeys for Thanksgiving. Oh my gosh, they're sock monkeys with bananas. Those are adorable. Beautiful pumpkins. Oh, these are emojis. We got little poops and crying and laughing. Those are cute. Forest critters. Those are cute.
My personal favorite.
Bacon, yeah! Ooh, cute little mini alphas. I like those. Never have too many alphas. Beautiful bows. Oh, it's football season. Oh, classic turkeys, realistic turkeys. Owls.
And another one of my favorites.
The wagons.
Which was your favorite sticker?
Leave us a comment down below.
Thanks for watching.